Hi, in this tutorial I'll continue with the next group of filters, Bevels. Let's try the first one. First let's select the object, Bloom, and you see the effect that we get with that filter. Now let's undo that using Ctrl Z to remove this filter. And before I continue, I want to give you a little tip. You can go to File here, Inkscape Preferences, select Filters, and here we have this menu that allows us to see how the effects of the filters are displayed. Sometimes, as you noticed a moment ago, we have a delay in displaying the effect of the filter, of course depending on how fast your computer is, how many filters you have applied on how many different objects, also how far you have zoomed in, and depending on that, displaying the effect of the filter can be delayed. So these options here can control that. You can make the low quality filter and then it will display faster, and have in mind that this does not affect how the image is going to look when it's exported as bitmap. When it's exported as bitmap, the filter will be applied at its best quality. This is only for displaying purposes, so if you have a slow computer like mine is not very fast, so you can adjust this to see the filters displayed faster. Of course, I'm not going to change this. I want to show you the better quality even with a little bit of delay, so you can control this from here. So let's close that and continue with the next filter, Bright Metal. You see how this looks. Next one, Button. Next one, Combined Lightning. You can also experiment with different colors to see how this effects will look on the different colors and different backgrounds. Also, let's undo that. Dark Glass. Let's undo that. See how this one displays. This one is pretty interesting. This one also creates a pretty nice effect on the text we have here. Let's undo that. Another one here. Let's undo again. This one raises the border of the text or the object. I'm using text here just for display purposes, but you can use these filters on any object that you have created in Inkscape. Let's undo that again. See how this one looks. Smart Jelly. Undo that. Stained glass. This one is pretty cool. You see how this looks. and change the color to black. Pretty nice effect here. Let's undo both these. And the last one, you see how this one looks. So that's it for this bevels. Try to go through them and remember what each one of these does. So that's it for this episode. If it was helpful, like the video and share it. Subscribe. Bye.